Hello and welcome to Shiny Crochet. This is part 7 of my Giant Tiger Plush series. See the card above for the trailer video which covers the normal introduction information, such as yarn, hook size, and where to find the PDF pattern. As always, if you have any questions, drop a comment below with as much info as you can so I can help. This video will cover making the arms, which will need the orange and black yarn. The arms are the same as each other, so you will make 2 of the following. They are a cylinder, open on each end. We start with orange yarn, but have the black on hand. It will be a similar process as the body, carrying the second colour on the inside. It is worked in the round with slip stitch and chain 1 between each row. Row 1 starts with chain 20. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, slip stitch to the first chain, then complete 20 single crochet within the ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slip stitch to end the row and chain 1 to begin the next. Row 2 is 20 single crochet around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, slip stitch to end the row. Every row from here is 20 single crochet around, so I will skip counting those and just specify the color changes. Attach the black yarn now and drop the orange to the side away from you. Row 3 is in black with 20 single crochet around. Slip stitch to end the row and chain 1 to begin the next. Row 4 is the same as row 3. Change to orange for the next row, dropping the black to the other side away from you. Row 5 is 20 single crochet around. Slip stitch to end the row and chain 1 to begin the next. Rows 6 and 7 are the same as row 5. Change to black. From here, it is a repeating pattern, completing 2 rows of black, then 3 rows of orange. The arm is complete once there are 7 black stripes and 8 orange stripes, for a total of 37 rows. The arm is complete once there are 7 black stripes and 8 orange stripes. Tie off and cut a long tail. This will be used to sew the hand to the wrist later. Sew in the starting tail. Make a second one by repeating from the start. And that's a wrap. This part is done. Be sure to share on social media. I'd love to see your makes. Tag @ShinyCrochet and use hashtag ShinyGiantCat so others can find it too. In 2 weeks, the next part will be available. The card above is a playlist for this series. I will add each video as they are released. If you haven't, be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay in the loop. Have a lovely day.